All right, y'all, I found the easiest way to make money with CPA affiliate marketing in 2025 with a strategy nobody is talking about. I just set this campaign up earlier today and already tripled my investment. You can copy this exact campaign right now and start making commissions as soon as tomorrow. You don't even need a big budget. You can actually start with only $50. Everything else is free. I'll show you everything over the shoulder so you can see how easy this is to set up step by step. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. All right, so first things first, if we look at my Facebook ads dashboard. So if you didn't know, it's using Facebook ads and CPA marketing. Today, I just set up this campaign just to test it out. I didn't even think it was gonna work at all, to be honest. No, I did think so. I ain't gonna lie. But as you can see, I spent a total of $23.83 so far. For the day, got 156 link clicks to our landing page. Got a reach of 1712 views, 2427 frequency, blah blah. Cost per click of 15 cents. If you do Facebook ads, you know that's a good cost per click on going towards links. Because a lot of people, they pay 30, 40, 50 cents, $1, $2 a lot of times in different niches. So if you're getting 15-cent link clicks, it's hard not to profit. Now, what I'm doing is a combination of Facebook ads, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. So TikTok and Instagram Reels, that's for the organic traffic. And then Facebook ads, like I said, I spent, what was it, $24. I only made, what was this, two posts, 883 views, 124 views, nothing crazy. This is my account. Now you would say, oh, the results because you got 11,000 followers. The whole thing is I haven't posted on here since, it's probably been, let me see right here. When was the last time I posted? March 30th. And before that it was literally last year, December 14th. So I'm not even getting too much any traffic. I only made 3 posts this year. 28 views, 800 views, 124 views. Then if we go to my Instagram Reels, this is my first time promoting it in a while. So this one got 734 views, nothing crazy. Last time I promoted any affiliate offers on this account was, let me see, immediate hire remote jobs. That was last year in November. So I haven't did any work towards this. 700 views, nothing crazy. 800 views, 900. This is around 1,000 views on TikTok and 700 views on Instagram. And with a $24 ad spend, we was able to make a total of $96 today. As you can see, yesterday, $0. This month so far, 103. I think I made like $7 this month off just some old traffic or whatever. But as you can see, proof is in the pudding. Mind you, like I said, I just set this campaign up. It started at like 3. I think I started this campaign. I wanted to do a say. I know I started it today, but I can't remember. I don't know if it showed the exact time. Today. Did it show the time? Well, whatever. I just set it up today. As you can see, the ad spend. I didn't make no money yesterday, so spent basically $24 today. Made 96 off the Facebook ad and a couple TikTok posts and 1 Instagram reel. Which brings me back to my first point at the start of this video where I say you can clone this exact campaign. If you already have a Facebook account and you're ready to just copy, paste, and profit. My Done For You campaign comes with a complete Facebook ad walkthrough over the shoulder, just like I'm doing a tutorial right now. Comes with a free landing page software. It takes 2 minutes to set up. The best offers to use, the ones that I'm using to promote this CPA offer or the results that you see. I got like 3 different offers you can run with, either a Max Bounty or a ClickBank. I'll show you my live accounts that I'm using to promote. Well, you already see it here, organically on TikTok and Instagram. So you can learn from it, watch me posting, because I'm about to start posting about 3 to 5 times per day. And I'm actually about to add Craigslist within the next day or 2. So I want to kind of juice my results up. I want to get this to as high as I possibly can. I know inside of Max Bounty with offers, they have a cap limit. I'm at a cap limit right now of 100 leads for this offer that I'm promoting, which means I can make about $240 per day. If I hit the cap a few times, they're going to increase my budget they're going to increase my cap limit to about double. So that means I'll be able to make, what's that, like $480 a day? $480 a day, that's over $3,000 a week. So I want to try to scale this up as much as possible. And also as a bonus, I'm giving you my endless commissions course. It basically goes over Instagram organic, TikTok organic, Craigslist ad, and more. Everything pretty much done for you. Copy, paste, and profit. I always make my courses like this. If you've been following my YouTube channel for a while, I've been doing this since 2018, man. My course has always been elite. If you know, you know. But right now I'm offering this Done For You campaign for the next 3 days. I'm probably offering it at like $27. Make it real affordable so I can get some quick testimonials. After that, after the sale is over, I'm probably up it to about $100. I ain't gonna lie. Because before the whole world started doing it and Facebook get to cracking down on our ads for whatever reason, yeah, I'd rather at least get paid a good amount for it. So if you want access to that, it will be in the first link in the description or in the comment section down below. And I will see y'all in part 2. Also want to include in a few affiliate tips that will help you on your journey. I wish I'd have been doing this for people besides tutorials and things like that. Just mentioning little tips to help you get started with affiliate marketing, getting your first commissions, and turning this into a full-time income. So first one to me is the most important one is consistency. You can't get mad at the results you're not getting from the work you're not putting in. If you're an inconsistent person, I highly recommend starting off with like small steps with just sticking with one platform. Don't try to do YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all at the same time. Learn one platform. Stick to a consistent upload schedule, even if it's just once a day, 3 times a week, 5 times a week. Find something. Just start small. Don't try to do too much all at once. Try posting at least once a day, every day for the next 21 days. They say it takes 21 days to build a habit. So just stick to something small and simple for 21 days straight. And then you notice after 21 days, it's like the back of your hand, you know? After that, you can start uploading. Okay, let me do 2 times a day. Since you already got a habit of uploading, it's gonna be nothing to go from 1 post a day to 3 posts a day or 5, however you want to play it. You can just increase your workload after a few weeks, but just start with the easiest task and just stick to that every day for the next 21 days and then increase your workload and go from there. Next tip I got, keep track of everything, whether you use a spreadsheet or you just manually overview your posts. That's why I say stay consistent. Upload as much as possible. Whichever content of yours is taking off, sit back and wonder why. Not wonder why, but pay attention. It's 9 times out of 10, it's a day and night difference from the post that went viral and the post that didn't get little to no views. So it's important to pay attention to the hooks that you use, the audios that you use, the captions that you use, the hooks that you use. Pay attention to everything. And whatever content is taking off, recreate that same type of content 100 times over. That's all it is with social media and marketing in general. It's all about recreating content that's already working. There's no need to just be throwing shit at the wall, trying to see what stick. You stay consistent, you keep uploading, you keep track of everything, and pay attention to your analytics and see why is certain content working over other ones. Double down on it. It's gonna make it easier for you to improve every single week. You have to pay attention to your analytics. And my third affiliate tip kind of goes back to the first 2. It kind of all go hand in hand. It's to set small goals first. Don't expect 100 sales, 100 commissions, $1,000 a day, $1,000 a week. Don't expect all that stuff right out the gate. Just aim for your first commission, your first 100 views, your first video with 1,000 or with 1,000 views or went viral. Wherever the case is, just start with something simple goal that's easy to hit, and you notice that will build your confidence over time. So you want to celebrate all your wins and your losses, because that's how you learn. That's my tips of the day.